car safety prevents accidents, protects passengers, reduces injuries, ensures legal compliance, and promotes responsible driving. Today's video is about top 5 best car safety for heavy rain that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SodaRide Car Safety. The SodaRide window breaker is a compact yet powerful emergency tool every driver should consider. Its tungsten steel tip is significantly stronger than standard options, allowing quick and effective glass breaking in critical situations. Built to withstand extreme heat and impact, it performs reliably even in fire scenarios or underwater, which adds real confidence in emergencies. The built-in seatbelt cutter is sharp and easy to use with one hand, making escape faster and more practical. The addition of strobe and full light modes is a thoughtful feature, providing visibility and signaling options when needed. With decent battery life and convenient USB-C charging, its ergonomic, lightweight design makes it easy to carry as a keychain or store within reach in your car. The durable, drop-proof build adds to its reliability. Overall, this is a well-designed, life-saving tool that combines strength, portability, and functionality, an essential addition to any vehicle emergency kit. Now our second product is Amazon Basics Car Safety. This 2-in-1 emergency escape tool is a simple yet essential safety accessory for any vehicle. Combining a window hammer and seatbelt cutter, it's designed to help you react quickly in critical situations like accidents, fires, or sinking vehicles. The double-head tungsten hammer is ineffective, making it easy to break tempered glass when needed. The built-in blade is sharp enough to cut through a jammed seatbelt effortlessly, which can be crucial in emergencies. The bright orange handle ensures high visibility and offers a secure, comfortable grip, even under stress. It also comes with a protective bracket for safe storage, so you can keep it within easy reach in your car. The included 2-pack adds great value, allowing placement in multiple locations or vehicles. Keep in mind, it's not suitable for laminated glass. Overall, it's a reliable, affordable tool that adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind while driving. Our third product is Smosun Car Safety. The Smosun 2-in-1 window breaker is a compact yet highly effective emergency tool for any vehicle. Its spring-loaded tungsten steel tip delivers strong impact force, allowing you to break side window glass quickly in critical situations. The design keeps the metal tip safely inside until activated, reducing accidental use. The built-in seatbelt cutter is equally practical, featuring a U-shaped hidden blade that cuts smoothly while protecting your hands from injury. It's simple to use and adds an extra layer of safety during emergencies. Comfort is well addressed with its anti-slip silicone grip, making it easy to hold and operate even under stress. Despite its small 3.6-inch size, it feels sturdy and is convenient to carry on a keychain or store in your car. Keep in mind, it only works on tempered glass, not laminated windshields. Overall, it's a reliable, portable, and essential life-saving tool worth keeping within reach. Now number 4, Sinsen Car Safety. This 2-in-1 car safety tool is an essential addition to any vehicle, combining a window breaker and seatbelt cutter to ensure quick escape during emergencies. The double-headed carbon steel hammer is extremely sturdy, capable of breaking windows efficiently, while the razor-sharp curved blade cuts seatbelts with ease and safety. Its thoughtful design enhances usability. The bright orange color makes it easy to locate even in the dark or under stressful conditions, and the anti-slip, lightweight handle ensures secure control. The included protective bracket allows safe storage, keeping it within reach at all times. The multi-pack option adds convenience, allowing placement in multiple locations for both driver and passenger access, and makes a practical safety gift for family or friends. Backed by 90-day returns and lifetime customer support, this tool offers peace of mind and reliability. Overall, it's a well-designed, durable, and life-saving device that every car should have. And our last choice is Resqme Car Safety. The Resqme 2-in-1 emergency car safety tool is a compact, reliable lifesaver for every vehicle. Designed for real emergencies like rollovers, fires, floods, or car entrapment, it provides peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The jammed seatbelt cutter is sharp and efficient, allowing a quick, clean cut in seconds. Its stainless steel blade is durable and reusable, making it dependable for repeated emergencies. The tempered glass window breaker features a heavy-duty stainless steel spike with a spring-loaded mechanism, ensuring fast and effective breaking of side windows. It resets automatically, so it's ready for multiple uses. Made in the USA and trusted by first responders, law enforcement, and EMTs, this tool has saved lives globally, averaging one life every 15 days. It is TUV certified and a Red Dot Design Award recipient, reflecting its quality and usability. Lightweight and portable, it attaches easily to your sun visor, ensuring immediate access when needed. A truly essential safety tool for every car. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.